Even though Brian Gorrell is retired, he spends a lot of time in his basement working, and even more time playing. Playing discs produced in the days before radio, on machines that allowed people to enjoy music in their homes.
Basically, there are enough collectors out in the world, and especially in the United States, that you can get parts, and then difficult parts to get. They're craftsmen that make the parts, so that we can keep these going on and we can still listen to it as they did 100 years ago.
Brian has more than 200 phonographs, including some of the very earliest produced by Thomas Edison's company in the 1880s that play wax cylinders. This basement is like a museum with some rare things here, such as a coin-operated phonograph, one hidden in a lamp, and accessories such as hand-carved dancers. Over time, phonographs became pieces of furniture.
There's the horn.
Many people dismiss the players today because they think they sound scratchy. Brian says they should get in the groove.
If you have a fresh needle, say if you're playing a disc player, and a good record that's not all scratched up, it's remarkable the sound that you get and the fidelity just coming out of an acoustic horn.
Even if you don't know a lot about phonographs, you've probably used a term associated with them. Many of the models didn't have volume control, so if you wanted to quiet them, you told someone to put a sock in it. Brian, a retired band director and music teacher, has found some like-minded people in the region. They formed a chapter of the Antique Phonograph Society and meet monthly to share knowledge. And he's always on the lookout for another machine. His collection also includes music boxes and a Nickelodeon.
And here it's strictly by volume. If I bring something new in, something of equal volume or taking up space has to leave.
Now, when Brian fixes up a phonograph to sell, he finds the buyers are mostly young people, fascinated by something that works so well without electricity.
A lot of the fun is sharing it with somebody, letting other people see what your passion is and just to see their reactions.
His passion is to ensure that 19th century machines keep bringing joy well into the 21st century and maybe beyond.
In Lexington, Marvin Bartlett with the Spirit of the Bluegrass.